So Homely is Ireland's first rent-to-own home ownership platform. We help people who can't get a mortgage right now secure a property today, and we help bridge the gap between renting and owning in the future. So far, we've had 3 properties enter the program. Our big goal in the last 12 months since launching was to get one into a traditional mortgage, and we're very happy today to announce that we've done that. So how it works is applicants apply via our website. We go through a whole examination process of their current situation. If they can get a mortgage today, we advise them to do that. And if they can't, they chat with us and our third-party independent mortgage broker to better understand their current situation and see how Homely would work for them. Considering the partnership pipeline we have is to try and sign up another 100 within the next 12 months. I think that's an entirely achievable amount considering the pipeline that we have, and also the standard of rentals out there at the moment is just so low and inefficient to cater for the amount of people out there looking to rent. I think our big goal is just to help the next person and then the next person after that. We've had over 4,000 applications in the last 12 months. So if we could help 10% of those, I think we'd be happy.